Assalamu alaikum. Hello my dear learners, my dear students. Today I will explain to you, I will give some important examples of WH words in as a conjunctions. For the last few classes, I have explained to you about the WH word. These 9 WH words have been very clearly explained to you. And its example, its uses, all have been described one after another. But today I will give some example whenever it will be used as conjunction. Okay? Hope you will give your rapt attention. I think it will give your most valuable time in understanding this WH word as conjunction. Firstly, I will give the example of who. Who means K or Kara, but whenever it will be used in conjunction, you should remember just 2 words, 2 subject, 2 matters. You should remember that who is used only for persons, on or more than one persons. Who ব্যবহার হয় এক বা একাধিক ব্যক্তির ক্ষেত্রে. Hope you understand. এক বা একাধিক ব্যক্তির ক্ষেত্রে who ব্যবহার হয়. Suppose once example, I know the person. I know the person. Okay, আমি ব্যক্তিটিকে চিনি. Who came here? I know the person who came here. So you can easily understand that who means এখানে যে. আমি লোকটিকে চিনি যে এখানে এসেছিল. Another example, I helped the boys who were honest. I helped the boys who were honest. আমি বালকগুলিকে সাহায্য করেছিলাম যারা ছিল সৎ. So here the meaning of who is যারা. Second one, whom. Whom means যাকে বা whom means কাকে, but whenever it is used in conjunction, its meaning will be যাকে. Okay. Suppose an example I am giving to you. The lady helped the boy whom you beat. The lady, ভদ্র মহিলাটি, helped the boy, বালকটিকে সাহায্য করেছিল. whom you believed, যাকে তুমি বিশ্বাস করতে. So here whom means যাকে. So you should have a clear knowledge on these points. whose mean যার বা কার, but its preposition, its meaning will be like this, যার বা কার. Okay, I know Mr. Khan. I know Mr. Khan. Whose house is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, whose is also used in one or more than one persons. Okay, I know Mr. Khan. I know Mr. Khan ke chini. Whose house is beautiful. Jar baiti hoy sundor. So whose means here jar. Its meaning also jader. That's no problem. Another example, where always describe the place. To describe the place, we can use where. Okay, suppose last year I went to Darjeeling. Last year I went to Darjeeling, which is very beautiful. Beautiful or comfortable, that's mean any kind of word. So last year I went to Darjeeling. গত বছর আমি দার্জিলিং গিয়েছিলাম. Sorry, where I am giving you the example of where. Last year I went to Darjeeling, where I met the lady. story again. Last year I went to Darjeeling. গত বছর আমি দার্জিলিং এ গিয়েছিলাম where I met the lady, যেখানে আমি ভদ্র মহিলার সঙ্গে সাক্ষাৎ করেছিলাম. So whenever where is used as conjunction, its meaning will be যেখানে. যেখানে আমি ভদ্র মহিলার সঙ্গে সাক্ষাৎ করেছিলাম. I went to Sekpara where I bought this book. আমি সেকপাড়া গিয়েছিলাম যেখানে আমি বইটি কিনেছিলাম. I met the man on the road. আমি লোকটিকে রাস্তায় সাক্ষাৎ করেছিলাম. Who is very honest. যে হয় খুব সৎ. Or another example, I went to the place. I went to the place where I met him. আমি ওই জায়গাটিতে গিয়েছিলাম যেখানে আমি তার সঙ্গে সাক্ষাৎ করেছিলাম. Another example, when is also vital whenever we will join two or more than two sentences into single one, and it is mostly used as conjunctions. Suppose first one, when. Okay, I am giving you one example. Please, my dear learners, you will give your rapt attention, otherwise you cannot catch what I am saying to you. So when, firstly, look at the board very carefully, otherwise you cannot understand. When I started my work, okay, when the sun rose, again look at the sentence again. I started my work, আমি আমার কাজটি শুরু করেছিলাম when the sun rose, যখন সূর্য উদিত হয়েছিল. So when we describe when always we describe the time of the action. Whenever we will join two or more than two sentences into single one, and if it is the matter of time, we can always bring the WH word when its meaning will be যখন. Whenever it will be used as conjunction. Another example, another WH word, that is why. Why always describe the cause of the action. The cause of the action will be described by using why. Okay, the boy explained why he was absent. Okay, the boy explained, balokti ব্যাখ্যা করলো why, কেন he was absent, সে অনুপস্থিত ছিল. So to describe the cause we can use why. Now let's go to another word, what is mostly used whenever we will try to answer any broad sentence. Whenever we will make a bigger sentence, we can always think about what means ja. Suppose I cannot understand what you are saying. Suppose a sentence, I cannot understand what you are saying. I cannot understand, I am বুঝতে পারছি না what you are saying. Or you can also say this sentence in different type. I can easily understand what you are saying. আপনি যা বলছেন তা আমি সহজেই উপলব্ধি করতে পারছি. Suppose another sentence, I can easily realize what you want to say. I can easily realize, আমি সহজেই উপলব্ধি করতে পারছি what you want to say. That means you want to say, আপনি যা বলতে চাচ্ছেন সেটা আমি সহজেই বুঝতে পারছি. I can easily realize, আমি সহজেই উপলব্ধি করতে পারছি what you want to say, আপনি বলতে চাচ্ছেন. Want to will be in spoken English want to say. Okay, hope you understand. Another example, another word, how will describe the process of work. When we will make sentence to describe the process of any activities, any work, in that situation we will use how. Suppose an example, the boy explained The boy explained, বালকটি বর্ণনা করলো how he rescued the baby, কিভাবে সে বালকটিকে বা শিশুটিকে উদ্ধার করেছিল. So these are the main example. I have just given one example of every sentences. Firstly, I have given the example of who, then who, that means যাকে, then whose, যার মানে হবে যার বা যাদের, then where, it will describe the place and its meaning will be যেখানে, 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 okay, and then when, that means যখন, why, it will describe the cause, then what, I have given two examples of what and one example of how. Another sentence, which jeti or konti or konduli, it is always used as inanimate object. Suppose I bought the book, আমি বইটি কিনেছিলাম, I bought the book which is costly, যেটি মূল্যবান. Okay, you will practice these sentences in your house, then you don't have any problem in understanding the WH word as a conjunction. Hope you understand. Thank you so much.